we are here to try out a game called Blood Bear. I know nothing about this game. I haven't seen anybody play this game. I only saw this discounted on Steam, and I said, let's go. So yeah, just gonna try this game, and whatever happens, happens. So yeah. Wait, what? Is this? Bear weekend, all items default, normal item spawn. Is this like a survivor game? Nani? Nan desu ka? Ooh, the bats, my... Those are pretty birds. Just makes me want to like makes me want to eat one. I want to eat a bird. There's so many so many birds. Oh, hello, little rabbit. How you doing today? Rude! Could have run me over. Dude, why is it glitching like that? Camping, logging, hiking, whispering. Okay. Was that not the same car? Is that me? Blood Bear. I wonder if this guy is related to Cocaine Bear. Actually, I shouldn't even joke about that, because I heard that's actually based on a real case. Well, exaggerate, of course. But yeah, that would be sad. I can't see. Oh. Ooh, is this a behemoth growth meeting? Hello, friend. The bear ate the white powder, of course. You found it. Yeah, that's sad. Press E to wake up. You should play scripts. No, I did not. I'll add it to the list. Okay. Now what? Oh, wait, what am I supposed to do? I didn't check. Okay, gotta pick back. Now what? What was this? Oh! I was dying? Leave your camp. I don't want to leave my camp! Where? Let's go to the moon. So I can see better. Ooh, I could jump. Uh-oh. Was I not supposed to go to the moon? What in the Dark Souls is that? That's an egg! Oh. Don't know what that is. Ooh, it's a spirit bear. Oh, whoa, it is a spirit bear! Do not fear me, human. I appear before you as a mere true spirit of the beast you will see in this forest. I mean you no harm. Do you look like... Imagine being in the alley, you see this, and it's like, I mean you no harm. Bruh. I come to you for your help. Your fellow men who roam this forest also cursed it. They have torn my soul from my physical body and used my flesh to take care of any strays, like you, to slip through the barriers. Okay. Bring me 3 totems scattered across these woods. Only then can I walk woolly through this once beautiful forest. Find the totems. Can I get a police at least? Is that one? Oh, I have a flashlight. Duh. Dude, this flashlight's horrible! Okay. That's rude. Can you give me do I have a map? Do I have anything? It just says find totems. Where? How can I see my backpack? How can I see my backpack? I have an axe. That's it. Totem log. collect 4 pieces of cooked meat and place at the altar. Find missing valve. Eliminate Ow. 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 I'm just gonna follow these trails. Whatever happens, happens. Ah! Okay, I'm good. Whee! Dude, I don't know where I'm going. Watchtower. Dude, I don't even have a map. Dude, I need a map. I don't know where I'm going. Ah. Oh, wait. These places, they have maps, right? Like, what is that? Oh, to kill the cult people. Okay, but how can I do that? I need a weapon. Need a weapon. Okay, gonna stay. Oh wait, the bear's behind you. No, it's not. Can you give me a gun? This is America, right? Yeah, sure, we would get a gun. Say, what is that? Soup. What up in here? I'm gonna stay away from that sound. Oh no, no more cult people. Nope. I'm gone. Where can I get more stuff? I got ammunition, but I don't have a gun. Maybe because I'm in Canada. Purchase a drink. No, I want to purchase a gun. This is the son of the police. I see that then. And then this. Ah! Ow. Ah! Stop! Stop! I can't eat the cold people! Help me! Yo! Get them! Get them! Oh, come on! Bear! Help me! Okay. Hey. Wait, what? Ah, okay! I thought you stopped. I'm sorry. Where's the bear? I need the bear. Sir Bear, are you hungry? I'm so confused! Wait, map updated. What map? Oh, it's V! Wait, M. Oh my gosh. Dude, I have the map on me the whole time. So where am I at? Right? Ow, dude, that sound there, it hurts. Oh! Oh, it's sick. I can make stuff. Yeah! Can I zoom in so I can see it? Ow. Ah! Ah! Nope, 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 nope. Is it still chasing me? What? Okay, so it's bye. Bye, Felicia. Dude, I can outspeed a bear? Whee! Wait. Stop. Because I guess when it's red, it's bad, right? Okay, I guess that's what that means. Dude, I cannot look at a map in peace. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What? You have an axe. How are you doing more damage? Ow. Dude, how are you doing so much more? Die! Ah, yeah, no, I do not have the strength for this. Uh-oh. 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 What's going on? What's going on? I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh well, I tried my best. Spawn stuff. Ooh, okay. Oh, I saw that, and I did nothing. Oh, come on. Ah! Nope. Whee! I could jump! Haha! I'm a leaping frog. Okay. Ah! Ow. Where am I at? Oh, there you go. There's more than one. Uh-oh. Good. Okay, I'm good. Alright, where's the last one? Boom! Am I supposed to run? Ah. Totem! Yeah. Cell tower. Can I not climb up? Hello? Oh! Oh, it's behind me! Okay, okay. Nope. Ow. You know what? Go ahead, hit me. Hit me. Wait, I'm stuck! I'm stuck! What was I stuck for? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, nope. Nope. No, why? Why? Ow, wait. Aha, soda. Don't move! I'm trying to play strat here. Ah, great. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Ahaha. What? What's up? Dude, who's doing that? Leave me alone. Ow. Aha. You stop with doing that. Please. Sue me ma-sen. Now, good sir. Immediately. Anybody else? Good. That was horrible. Ah! Ah! Leave me alone. Woo! Here to catch some hands. Hello. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, there's 3 of you guys! Oh, this is scary. This is quite scary. Hello. Punk! Uh-huh. Nope, stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away! Haha. Stay away. Ow. Okay. That does nothing for me. Did I get more soda? Oh, I did got some health. Ah! 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 He's right here! He's right here! Go get him! Go get him! He's right here! He's right here! Go get him! Aha! On top of an artifact. What are you gonna do? Ow! I'm up here, sir. Dude, what's hitting me? I don't know what's hitting me. But the people to kill you are right there. Do you not want me to save you, or what is going on? Don't you ever touch me like that ever again, good sir. Boom. Ow. Go. Stop doing that now, sir. Thank you. Ah! Nope. 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 No. 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 Ah, speed. Faster than a grizzly bear. I will mess you up. My weapon's been upgraded. What you gonna do? What you want? What you want? Exactly. No, 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 come here. Come back. Coward. I come in peace. I lied, but still. I don't like that. Bro, is this a spider? I'm logging off this game. Dude, no, I'm getting out of here. Nope, nope, not taking my chances. I'm not taking the chances. I signed up for bear stuff, not spider stuff. No. Oh! There you are. What's up? What's up? What's up? Dude, just stop doing that. Please. Oh. Yep. What happened? What happened? Did I die? Uh-oh. Oh man. Was that a timer? What happened? Or is that it? Cult boss. A food! Dude! Ah! Ah! Dude, where is this guy at? Oh. Get away from me! You suck at aiming! Haha! You missed! Haha! Haha! What? That was your leader? Bruh! That was easy. Yo, sup, homie? Haha! The ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-tum! You're free! Second boss battle. The bear! You gotta fight the bear now. Here goes the king of the forest. The mighty bear. So majestic. Can I at least ride the bear? That is not a bear. What is that? It's got a sloth hybrid. Or maybe it's a wolf hybrid of a bear. Poor wolf. That was Flipper. Alright. It's a time day. Hope you guys have a very, very perfect day. It's a time night. Hope you guys have a very peaceful night. Other than that, see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.